Welcome, here I've got Motorola Razr 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the primary camera and internal camera settings. Here at the first position we have the photo sizes. So for example, now let me pick primary camera photo size to show you how it works. Here we have the ratio connected with the resolution of the camera. As you can see, now we are in 4:3 ratio. This is connected with 12 megapixels or 8 megapixels resolution. This is how to manage this, and this is how it looks like in the preview. When I change the ratio from 4:3 to 16:9, as you can see here we have the difference. We have also different resolution to 9 megapixels or 6 megapixels, as you can see. When we go back to the camera preview, we can see that here the camera aspect ratio also has changed to the longer one. And now let's go again to these settings and to the primary camera photo size. Let's change 16:9 to 21:9 aspect ratio. And as you can see, here is the difference. Also the resolution is 6 and 9 megapixels, the recommended one here, or 4 and 6 megapixels. This is how it works here. Let's go back to the camera again. And here we have the full aspect ratio, so the full frame of the camera with this 21:9 photo size. And let's go back to 4:3. As you can see, to remind you, in the camera preview it looks like that. And also the same thing we have in the internal camera. When we pick this we have the same ratios, but this is connected with different resolution here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.